Today, I'm going to show you how to create seamless patterns with Patterned AI.
I'm Marina, and I'm the hands behind Draw with Marina. While my main content is about teaching you how to draw in Procreate, I occasionally venture off and speak about my love for tech-related products and software. So following my last tutorial where I showed you how to manually create seamless patterns in Procreate, today I'm going to show you an easier way, using AI. Let me introduce Patterned AI, a game-changing tool for creatives, makers, and small business owners. Patterned AI is an AI-powered design platform that allows anyone, from beginner to pro, generate seamless, high-quality surface patterns instantly. Let's dive right in. This post is sponsored by Patterned AI. So I'm in their dashboard, and as you can see, they have tons of different ways that you can create patterns. So today's video, we're going to focus on Pattern Creator. And as you recall from my previous video, I did this seamless pattern with these cross-section of fruits. I'm going to try to replicate that today in the Patterned AI Seamless Pattern Generator. So I'm going to describe that pattern as best as I can, and I've already written that out, and I'm going to paste it in here. Create a pattern that features 5 fruit cross-sections in a flat 2D illustrative format: an apple, an orange, a kiwi, a watermelon, and a lime with a light blue background. The fruits are not touching each other, the fruits are small. Now I'm going to try the advanced model for this one because it says it handles complex prompts, objects, animals, and text. I'm going to do line art because my prompt is actually a flat 2D illustrative format, and let's see what happens. And again, if you want more images, you can always hit the plus sign here and it will require more credits. All right, this is what I'm looking for, and this is pretty awesome. So I'm going to click on this one, which does match my other drawing quite a bit. Here it is for reference. So I'm going to select this one, and from here you have a few different options to download. You have your 1024 by 1024, which is great for web graphics and small prints. You can also upscale for print-ready quality art at 8200 by 8200, and you can also convert to vector. And if you don't know what that means, I've written an article on the differences between vector and raster. Link to the article is below. All right, so next, let's see what we could do with all of these mockups. So I'm going to click on AI Mockup, and let's say I want to apply this pattern, I don't know, to this sleeping mask. Then I'm going to hit Generate Mockup. All right, that's how it looks on a sleeping mask. That is really, really cool. I would actually buy that. All right, let's go back to our templates, and you can select from a whole variety of different product mockups. Let's try a different pattern. So if you want to play the lazy card, just head on over to ChatGPT and it can write your prompt for you. I think I'm in the mood for something Bridgerton since it's everywhere. I want something that's floral, Victorian inspired. So I'm just going to write, give me 3 prompts for a seamless pattern inspired by Bridgerton, Regency era, floral in lavender, and pastel blue. All right, let's try the first one. I'm going to copy and paste it in here. Let's try the classic model, and we'll do line art. Oh, these are really pretty. I love this one. And from here, you can also zoom out and see how that looks. So I've modified the prompt a little bit, and I'm going to try the advanced model with the line art. And how pretty is this? And if you want to see what you've done, you just click on history, and it's going to show you all of the patterns that you've created. Once your pattern is ready, here's where the fun really begins. You can use these high-resolution assets for your personal or commercial projects. Yes, guys, that's right. Commercial rights are included on print-on-demand merch using POD shops like Printful, Printify, and Spoonflower to create mugs, t-shirts, tote bags, hats, fabric, phone cases. The list is endless. Patterned AI helps you amplify your creativity and efficiency, expediting your workflow, helping produce original patterns faster than before. In just a few minutes, you can go from an idea to production-ready design. Go ahead and give it a try. See my link below to get started. For more drawing tutorials and gadget reviews, be sure to subscribe to Draw with Marina.